Joe Beermaster. Today we have a 2011 Mazda CX9. This goes for multiple years and multiple models. I'm going to show you how to disconnect the wiring harness when you're removing or replacing the door. This is a little tricky. It's a little plug, and these are all pretty much standard, kinda the new style anyway. There's different variations and all, but on these I noticed, you can see I got it split open a little bit. There's usually a clip on the bottom and a clip on the top. So I push this up and pull out. Push the pin in, pull out. And you should actually have somebody helping you with this. Push in and pull out. Now sometimes there's one on the other side. You can see there's like actually one right there too. Once you get them top and bottom ones out, that kind of sets the stage. I'm going to have to put the camera down and pull it out. Let's wiggle it and see what happens. So we're going to pull that like that. And then if the bottom one's stuck, you got to wiggle it. Or put the screwdriver back in there. You don't want the door, I see I loosened the check. You don't want that check really. You need that extra room there. And then you worm it out. Always nice if the fender's off, but we got it out pretty much. We just have to, what I'll do now is get somebody to help me hold the door. I'll take these 12 millimeters out. Each car is different. I already got that one out. And as we get the door off, we're going to lay it on something, either a jack stand or a crate, egg crate or whatever. And then that'll allow me access to unclip this here. See, there's a little blue swing clip. You swing that, and then it releases it from the interior part. You want to make sure the wire doesn't fall in when you're doing that. All right, so I got a milk crate there and a helper. I'm going to take these 12s out. Got the bolts out, so now we're going to slide the door back, straight back. Okay, so now we can access that wire right there. You can see these little clips hold it on the top and bottom. So this is a little swing, I don't know what you call it, swing release? Door stop. There's another one here. Press the little button there. See that in there? That releases it. Flip it. Flip it up. Sorry, it's not focused real good, but it's tough to do sometimes. And there you go. You don't want this to fall back in. You might want to put some tape on that so you don't lose it. And that's it. That's how it's done. These little clips hold it in. Right here, you see them little tabs? So when you hit it with the screwdriver, it releases it. Then you put it back the same way. That's how it's done. Joe Beermaster, I hope this helped. If you don't have the knowledge of how that works, it could be a real pain in the you-know-what. Please subscribe and share with a friend. Take care.